Speaking of Ian Leonard, he's out there. He's out using our latest, greatest technology to show all of you the level at which some of our rivers are now rising. Ian?
Yeah, you know, guys, when you're out and you see it firsthand and you see it from where we were last week to where we are this week, some of this flooding could be easily classified as monumental if you weren't like me standing here on a flood wall that separates the moderate flood stage Minnesota River and the city of Carver. Let's give you an idea how the Minnesota River is flowing right now with Fox 9's drone. Off it goes, and as it flies downstream, you'll notice the trees to the right and the trees to the left. That is the natural cut of the river. But everything off to the left is the floodplain, flooded so much, inundated by upwards of 10 feet of water on the floodplain, that the city of Chaska opened the flood gates. That is to alleviate fears of the levee being overcome by these very high river levels. So that gives you an idea of how much water is here. We've doubled the flow since Thursday of last week, and the water level is up a full 5.5 feet since Thursday of last week. Let's give you a better look here at the overall flood picture when we talk about the flood potential all across the Minnesota River Valley. From Redwood Falls into New Ulm, it is crested and has fallen slowly over